Hi guys, today we'll talk about diet and migraine. I always tell to my patients diet plays a very important role in the management of migraine. There are certain foods which can trigger migraines like processed meat, caffeine, citrus, wine, old cheese, and then food containing high sodium, high nitrate, and high monosodium glutamate. Then my patient asked me about caffeine. Patient asked me about caffeine intake and my recommendation. I always tell them if you are taking caffeine too often, mean 3 to 4 times a week, sometimes it can trigger your headaches, can cause dependence, withdrawal headache, and even increase the number of attacks of migraines. My patient asked me about water intake or what kind of fluid they can have. And my answer is water, water, and only water. Dehydration is a very well known trigger for migraines. My patient asked me about what kind of supplement do you recommend for migraine patients. The supplements which normally I recommend to my patients are magnesium 400 milligram daily, riboflavin or vitamin B2 400 milligram daily, coenzyme Q10 300 milligram daily. This is what I prefer. You can discuss with your neurologist what he or she recommends. There's another trigger which is called fasting, and I want to discuss this fasting in diet because fasting sometimes can trigger headaches and worsen headaches. What I recommend is for those patients who are trying to lose weight, more frequent and multiple snacks. And hunger and hypoglycemia or low glucose can trigger headaches.